Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is gonna be a collections video. And yeah, pretty excited to do this. Haven't done one of these at all. And we'll be doing one of these videos from now on every month. So in case of something sells or something new gets added, I'll just make a video about it. So yeah. I have 4 trays here, but I'm gonna do one by one because I can't fit everything in one shot, so it's gonna have to be a tray by tray video. So I'm gonna put these away. All right, let's go ahead and start. I want to be moving pretty fast. So yeah, this is the EDC long laser, and yeah, this is number, where is the number? Right there, number 12 out of 50. Really limited. This is the push egg from Marisha. This is the Shock Bomb 2.0 from Ruisha. This is in full titanium. And then this is the Piston 2.0. Also from Ruisha. These are like desk fidgets. All right, and I also have this one that I've been playing around with. I don't know what the name of this is, but it's in full Timascus. It's not mine. It's a loaner from a friend. But yeah, this thing's a pretty cool one. Looks amazing. By the way, you may see some of these fidgets depending on when I release this video that I have not done unboxings for. For example, that thing I've done an unboxing for, but I haven't posted it yet. So yeah, this is the 01 EDC slider, number 45. This is the 01 EDC slider mini, the Christmas edition. This is number 80. Then I got the PI slider. Love this thing. All right, and then we got the AC EDC stamp. It's really nice. All right, that'll be all for tray 1. All right, the next tray will be spinners. So I'm gonna start from here. This is the Gear Storm from by KTS. I got this from G1. Pretty cool. This is the Cyber Mecha. It's really cool. Also really rare. Then we got the Mini Zeus in full zirconium. Pretty cool. Then we got the Comma 2.0 from Andesign. Really love that thing. Now I don't know what the name of this thing is. This is also a loaner, but it's in full crystal titanium and blue. And this thing's pretty cool. Like you get that ring sound after you spin it. You should listen carefully. That's pretty cool. So yeah, it's an amazing spinner. But this is a loaner, so yeah. And then we got the fission spinner. Pretty cool too. Also really rare. And then we got this is probably my favorite spinner right now. This is the triangle in stainless steel from 280C. Love this thing. Spins amazing. It's my favorite thing out of my collection right now. Well, out of the spinners. I use this thing daily. So yeah. And then we got the Blood Blade from KTS. I took out the ends because I just like it this way. So yeah, it's pretty good. Love it. Then this is the Viper, I believe it's called, in stainless steel. It's the mini too. It's a pretty cool spinner. And then we got the Asuda from KTS. Also really rare. And full zirconium. So yeah, pretty low spinner. That'll be all. Out of these, my favorite is the spinner. I mean, the triangle spinner right here. Love this thing. Don't think I'll ever sell this thing right here. All right, move on to the next thing. So this will be the haptic coin tray plus a couple of budget sliders. So these are the pods from 01 ADC. Love these things. So yeah, great things. All right, then we got the Magyu pill, I think, or capsule, whatever it's called. It's kind of a spinner, clicker. Yeah. Then we got the, I believe it was haptic EDC slider. Love this thing. Then we got this slider. It's pretty cool. I did a review on this just recently. But yeah, great slider. Then this is the acrylic haptic coin. Just got it off AliExpress. Well, I got this from a friend, but he got it off AliExpress. So yeah, really cool. And then we got the black hole in oil slick zirconium. Really amazing coin. Love this thing. And then we got the YEDC Bitcoin in zirconium and titanium. Love this thing. Then this is the Gambit coin in zirconium plus a copper and stainless steel button. Really great. Love this thing. And then this is the unreleased Mackie drop that I got from G1 a while back, but you guys still haven't seen a video on it yet because it's not released yet on the site. When it is released, I will drop the video where I unbox this thing. Really cool. It's a clicker, ratchet coin, and then you can change out these buttons so it becomes a spinner. It's pretty cool. And then these are probably like one of the favorite things in my collection. This is the Top C Spark edition. But this one is custom engraved by someone from China. So yeah, I just picked this up. I thought that was really cool. So yeah, love that thing. This is another Top C. This is in full blasted Zerk. They did this run very, very early on. It's really cool. But yeah, love that thing. And then this is the Top C Spark in black and gold. This is the Top C Spark also in green and silver, like this thing. This thing just engraved. But yeah, love this thing. And then this is the most recent addition to the collection, the Top C in Zircotime. Absolutely love this thing. It's the best looking thing in my collection right now. Looks so good. So yeah, love that thing. Alright, that'll be all for this tray. My favorites out of here would be the Top C's first. Then it would be the Black Hole. And then it's between these two. So yeah. And now here we get to these sliders. I will go ahead and start off from here and go around that way, I guess. So yeah. This is the CP3 Nano in Zerk and stainless steel. Number 136. Really love that thing. This is the stainless steel bubble from Metal Toys. So yeah, this is a slider from Cloud Orange. Really great slider. I recommend this thing. The magnets are super strong. And yeah, really great feedback. This is the 01 Pod 2.0 in stainless steel. Love this thing. It's one of my favorites. Slides super well. This is the CP3 Mackie Studio collaboration with the ATS in stainless steel. Number 32 to 150. Limited. This is the stainless steel stonewashed version of the CP3. Number 114. Got this from G1. And then this is the zirconium and stainless steel CP3. Same color pattern as this, just bigger. This is number 130. This is number 30. Here you go. Put that thing back. And then this is the Loudy X Mackie collaboration. Really great slider, slides super well. This is number, wrong way, 182 out of 299. This is zirconium, stainless steel, zirconium. So yeah, really amazing slider, slides super well. Then we got the Mackie CP2 in zirconium and brass. Also one of my favorites. I absolutely love this thing. Just listen to that. So one side of it, one side of it is fully magnetic, as where the other side of it is fully mechanical. That doesn't come off. This part comes off. So yeah, amazing slider. Definitely recommend it. Then this is the Top D in stainless steel for Metal Toys. Also one of my favorites. Really amazing slider. Mechanical slider. Definitely recommend it. This is the YEDC pick slider. Really great. I love this thing. But yeah, recommend it. It's also a pivot slider. You can also remove the pivot and then have it up with balls on the track slider, or just have it be a free floating slider and just in general. And then we got the Mott Rhythm. Amazing slider. I love this thing. Definitely recommend it. It's in stainless steel. And then this is the Mahjong by Mott. It's a new slider. Really cool. Yeah, definitely recommend this one too. And then this is the, I don't know what the name of this thing is, but it's from that brand. And currently it's a sandwich, but let me take off this piece. It's got a lot of balls in it. Okay, this thing's an amazing slider. I highly recommend this thing if you can find it. It's not that common in the US. But yeah, really amazing slider. It's got a sandwich piece as well. Really cool. Definitely recommend it. This is the Mott Groove. Fully mechanical. It's like the Mott Rhythm, but it's fully mechanical. Such an amazing slider. Yeah, definitely recommend it. They're quite pricey though too. This is the Wanwu Shield. Mini Shield, Reactive Shield. I forget what it's called. Great slider. This is the Magnus Stealth with Zerk plates. Love this thing. It's actually pretty new. I haven't had time to play with this thing, but it's really great. Like, it slides very well. The grip on it is cool. But yeah, it's also really rare because this design is really hard to come by. Yeah, put that back. This is the Magnus Wave. It's actually a loaner from a friend of mine. It's a pretty cool design. I wouldn't pick it for sliding purposes, but it does look amazing though. Like, it's pretty cool. But I don't know, just not the most comfortable in my hand. And then we got my all-time favorite magnet slider, the Toad X. An absolutely amazing slider. Love this thing. Definitely recommend it. I'm pretty sure you can still buy this thing, so yeah, check that out. This is the Magnus Rail 2.0. So what I did is put on Teflon plate, and I took out all the O-rings that it had. Yeah, so it made the magnets a bit weaker, and then made them a bit like, and then it's also like making that sound because the magnets are moving around, so it's pretty cool. And then this is got some dirt in there. This is the wrapped with the hybrid setup and brass inserts in stainless steel. This is from Jonas. This actually isn't mine. This is just a loaner for the channel for a bit, and then I'll be returning it to Jonas. But yeah, this is a pretty cool slider. It's stainless steel. I just wanted to see what the heaviest setting you can put it on. So I put brass inserts in this thing. And this thing is really, really heavy, I gotta say. So yeah, I really recommend it. The wraps are really, really cool. So yeah, that's that. And then this is my personal wrapped. This is in full titanium, and the finish is end of world. So titanium body with the end of world effect. Got this little like color on there, rainbow splat. It kind of looks like oil slick Zerk. So yeah, but I don't think there's such a thing as oil slick Zerk. So yeah, an amazing slider, one of my favorites. And then last but not least, one of my favorite pieces in my collection right now. It is the Compoform V1.1. Such an amazing slider, track slider. Really, really love it. They're actually doing a pre-order pretty soon. So keep an eye out on that. But I definitely recommend this thing. Such an amazing slider. So yeah, that'll be all for this tray. Then I guess that'll be all for the entire collection. So yeah, I'm actually in the process of selling a lot of these pretty soon. So most of these things you won't see again. And yeah, also check out our channel sponsors down below, Big White EDC and G1. I've got 10% off discount codes for their sites. And yeah, there are some pretty great fidgets over there, and you guys can get 10% off using my code. Alright, well, that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. This will be changing. Some more stuff is coming, some more stuff is leaving, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.